Step 1. Prepare the chicken. Make shallow cuts in the thickest pieces so that the marinade penetrates well deep into the chicken pieces and adds flavor. Step 2. First marinade. Add chicken, salt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste and chili powder. Mix it all thoroughly. Step 3. Make the second marinade. Mix thick curd with Kashmiri chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, kasuri methi, mustard oil and a pinch of food color. Step 4. Add the rested chicken to the second marinade and coat every piece generously, as shown here. Step 5. Prepare for cooking. Thread chicken pieces onto skewers of your choice, either metal or wooden, leaving a little space between pieces. Place them on a wire rack over a baking tray. Step 6. Roasting. Preheat OTG to 220 degrees C. Roast for about 18 to 22 minutes, turning halfway. Step 7. Brush with melted butter or ghee and roast another 3 to 5 minutes at high heat for slightly charred edges. Serve immediately with onion rings, lemon wedges and mint chutney.